Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some pumpkin spice oatmeal cookies. I've never made these before. This is going to be my first time trying it. So we'll see how they come out. So everything you're going to need is some oats, pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, any maple syrup. I chose the sugar-free syrup because that's all I have. Shredded coconut, and then some sugar-free chocolate chips. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take a regular baking sheet and then put some of this, I'm gonna take some of this baking non-stick paper. I don't really know what it's called, but I'm gonna be taking this. And I'm just gonna take a piece that big and just leave it there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take 3/4 of a cup of oats. So after our oats, we're gonna go ahead and take our pumpkin. It smells so good. I say about that much and just pour it in our oats. Oh, and that's my oven telling me it's preheated. And then we're just gonna take some cinnamon and just add it all in there. Same with the pumpkin pie spice. We're just gonna add a bunch in there. And then we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of this maple syrup. I'm using the sugar-free one, but you can use an all organic or an all natural maple syrup if you want, whichever. And then I'm gonna add some of this shredded coconut. I'm not measuring the coconut, I'm just like sprinkling it in there. And then now, last ingredient is the sugar-free chocolate chips. So just add it all in there. And then we can add some more after. But go ahead and mix all the ingredients up like this. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little more maple syrup just to make them a little bit extra sweet. So now that I washed my hands again, I'm gonna go ahead and take maybe like a spoonful of cookie dough and just make them into little balls. And then you're gonna wanna smash them down to make them into a cookie shape. Since they don't have any baking powder, they're not gonna expand or anything. So good. I definitely recommend if you like pumpkin. If you don't like pumpkin, obviously don't eat pumpkin cookies. But this is a really healthy recipe. I found the recipe online. It was my first time making it, and they came out pretty good. So if you guys try it, make sure to let me know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little bake with me video. And if you have any questions or requests, just let me know down in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.